Hi everyone, my name is Tima. Today I am here with the founder of Haconet, the Haitian Community Network, Marc. We are here to gather a bit of information to have a better understanding of this amazing organization and that everybody has been talking about. But first, let us go ahead and give Mr. Marc a moment to introduce himself. Please go ahead and introduce yourself to the viewers.
Hey Angie, hello everybody. Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, thank you for coming.
Yeah, of course. My name is Marc Fikiri, and like you said before, I am the founder of Haconet, which is the Haitian Community Network here in Columbus, Ohio. I am very happy to be here and ready to answer any questions that you may have for me.
Wonderful. Okay, well, the first question we have for you, what is Haconet and what is your role on Haconet?
Well, Haconet is the Haitian Community Network. That's what Haconet stands for. And we are a platform that we created to serve the Haitian community. And not only in Columbus, Ohio, this is our base, but Haconet is really open to any and every Haitian wherever they are.
Oh, wonderful.
And what Haconet is really what the name says. It's a network where we bring every Haitian together. We try to connect with them wherever they are and see if we can provide them with the support and the need that that they're looking for.
Oh my God, that sounds amazing. So, as the CEO of this organization, would you mind tell us a little bit of your daily task of this organization?
Yeah, of course. Well, it's a lot of work when you work with any community. It takes a lot energy. It's a lot of work, a lot of hours. But we basically, our daily task can go from making a simple phone call to a person to really taking somebody to an appointment and meeting with a city representative or a government agency. So it varies. It depends on what we have to do, but our main thing is trying to respond to all and every request that we have for that day, and we try to kind of do that on a daily basis because we have a large group that we are helping.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of things you guys are doing into the community. So, is it something? What is the inspiration behind Haconet? Is it something you've seen, you've heard, or what gives you the desire to help like such into this Haitian community?
Well, first of all, I think my first inspiration is the fact that I am Haitian. I'm always passionate about my community and helping people. And being Haitian, living abroad, we know all the challenges that we face.
Yes, indeed.
And although I know at Haconet we will not be able to respond to every need, but we think that it was needed in the community here in Columbus, Ohio, to have a network or a platform to serve the Haitian community, because we know the needs are great and the help is very lack. So we wanted to be that gap between the Haitian community members and whatever struggle or whatever breach, whatever problems they are facing, whether it's a language barrier, whether it's getting the help that they deserve. So we try to be that for them.
Oh, that is you're doing an amazing work into the community, because, like you said, we need all kind of helps into the community, and then you doing that it's a wonderful thing. So let me ask you that doing all this stuff must be very tiring for one person. So do you have a team behind closed doors helping you with managing all these tasks behind Haconet?
Well, let me make it clear. Haconet is not one person. I am, you know, I was inspired by many people to do that, and like you said, we have a team. So I am not Haconet. I'm just one person in Haconet. We have a great team, and I couldn't ask for a better group of people to work with than the staff that we have, because we recognize the challenges that we face, and we recognize the challenges that the community faces. So each member of the staff, they put, I'll say, 120% every day to make sure that we provide the services, and we help the community. So yes, Haconet is not one person. There's a staff. Hopefully one day we will meet everybody. But I want to tell them that I appreciate everything that they've been doing for Haconet. Yeah.
Wonderful. That's amazing. Knowing that you have a team working with you, because like you mentioned, it's a lot of things you guys are doing behind doors for this community, and knowing that you have a team that you can rely on is amazing.
Yeah.
So kudos to your team. So my next question is that I know dealing with people in general, it can be very challenging because everybody has the different type of personalities.
Yeah.
Is there any main challenges that you are facing into this Haitian community, if any, of course?
Challenges is the order of the day for us when it comes to Haconet, because that's exactly why we exist. Is to face or to help the community face the challenges. Now, again, like you said, everybody is different, and everybody is going through different things. And one thing we try to do is to make sure that we listen to everyone that comes to us and try to understand what kind of help they are looking for. Of course, we don't have unlimited resources to help people, but if a challenge is beyond our capacity, we try to direct them to the right resources. We face challenges every day. Some are great, some are small. But again, thank God we got a great team that always step up to the plate to respond to the needs and kind of help us stay afloat. So yeah, the challenges are great, but we are up to task.
Well, you guys hear it from Marc. There is challenging, and I have to dealing with people, like you said, is it's very challenging because people are coming from everywhere with their own personalities, and for you to be able, you and your team to be able to manage that and then to keep going is divine. I'll tell you that, because it can be a lot. And then, which brings me to the next question. So we know that you, Haconet is a non-profit organization, and then you and your team, you have your personal duties that you do day to day. So how do you guys balance that with Haconet's needs and order to, maintain a good mental health or physical health, because it can be tiring physically, because I understand you also do transportation, help people out, so that can be very tiring for both you and your team. So how do you guys manage that?
Well, when it comes to work, community work, one thing you really have to have is passion. This job or this work requires a lot of passion and sacrifices. Everybody's working and they have their full-time job, and at the same time we find time to support the community. sometimes it's a challenge, but again, because we have different schedule and a lot of us work from home, we are able to meet the needs of some of most people. Now, what we do, we not only our team work together to create a schedule to help people, but we also have to outsource some of the challenges or some of the requests. That's why we work with different agencies in the city. So when somebody comes to us and we cannot provide that help to them, we have a backup support that we send them to. The time and the schedule is challenging, but again, the work needs to be done, and we are dedicated, and we are willing to, make all the necessary sacrifices to help as much as we can.
I understand, and I believe the Haitian community will keep you guys in prayer, because we know that it's not only physical, as I mentioned, it's mental, and then to do this kind of work, you have to have a passion for it, like you describe, a desire to help people, and then knowing you guys have that, you guys have the passion, the desire to help the community. I do believe that the community will collaborate on helping you guys to keep the vision alive. So, which brings me to my next question. So, what is the Haitian community? How is it helping you guys? How are they collaborating with you guys to keep the vision going, to maintain this vision that you have, water it for it to grow into this
Well, it's I guess it depends. Some things, like for example, if we, one thing about Haitians, or let me say the Haitian community here in Columbus, Ohio, it's not that big of a community. It's growing, so we have connections, in the churches. We have connections in the other small businesses in the community that we can reach out to, in case, just like when we're doing some type of events, we can reach out to them, and they can, support or just be present. So what we ask of them is to be more open to receive the new, I'll call them new Haitian Americans that are coming, and to help them, because the thing is, for those who've been here for many years and you know how the system functions, if you face challenges in the past, you don't want this, newcomers to face the same challenges. Yes, if you've already been through something. So we try to sit with the community members, the businesses, and try to tell them what we're doing, and how they can support them. Not necessarily financially, but mostly be present. So when we're doing something, they can be there as leaders in the community to support these people. So so far, it's working.
That's good to hear that. That's good. So is there a specific way you would like the leaders or the leaders of the community to reach out for you? A specific way they can help? It might be by donation, or by just having more resources available for the community whenever it's necessary.
Yeah, of course. Donation is always welcome, because again, we are a nonprofit organization, and we are always on the go and looking for resources to help the people here. So the businesses, they can definitely provide financial support. They can sponsor our events, and they can open up their spaces. Just like when we want to host something, they can open up their spaces to us, and so we can meet the community members there. If they have job openings into their businesses, they can let us know, and we can actually help fill those openings with Haitians. So because we want the community to go together, and we want our Haitian Americans to benefit from all the resources we have inside our community. So we encourage our businesses to do that. Even if a internship, we encourage them to do that. So there are many ways, and they can just go to our website, which is haconet.org, and they can connect with us that way.
Okay. So let's say if they want to donate funds, any type of financial, do you guys have a Cash App, or in your website do you have a donation, or they can click on it on donate, or do we have Cash App? Do we have Zelle? Because it's the matter when you have Cash App, you have Zelle, you have all this type of resources that they can do. So is there a specific one you want them to use in order to donate?
Well, we try to cover our bases. We do have Cash App. It's it's the $ at Haconet. It's the $ Haconet.
Would you please spell that so our viewers can know?
Haconet, that's HA. The HA stands for Haitian, and then CO for community, then NET stands for network. So it's HACONET.
Okay.
So we have Cash App. They can go onto our website. We have a donation page. They can just click on it, and they can fill out the form. And if they want to drop a check, they can do that too at 2020 Bryce Road. We are in Suite 185, Reynoldsburg, Ohio 43068. I'm sure you're going to post that so people can see it.
Of course.
But if they just go to our website, they will see all of that ways they can support and donate.
Okay, wonderful. Well, you guys, that is it. Is there anything you would like to add for the community? Anything you feel like you should mention to the community before we let you go? Because I know you have a busy schedule. We want to keep you.
Yeah, well, of course, we want to thank you again for having us.
Oh, thank you for having me
this evening.
Yes.
And again, we just want to let everybody know that if you want to connect with us, it's pretty simple. Again, we have WhatsApp on our phone number, which is 614-600-5530. Our website, again, it's haconet.org. So we just want to encourage all of our Haitians here in Columbus, Ohio, to visit us. Come sit with us. If you want to know more about what we do and how you can become a partner, or just even volunteer work, we can sit with you and talk to you, because the goal is not to just have a presence in Columbus, is really to make sure that the Haitian community, or I should say the Haitian diaspora in the United States, knows about this network, and that wherever they are, they don't have to be in Ohio to be part of it or to support it, because we are nationwide, even worldwide. So we want to encourage every Haitian, wherever you are, to reach out to us and become part of this great work that we do.
Okay, wonderful. Before I let you go, I understand that not too long ago you guys had winter drive not too long ago. So do you have anything cooking for the summer, or any type of program that you would like people to tune into, come in and support?
Oh yeah, definitely. The spring is in the way, is over here now. So we have a few programs that will benefit the community that is coming up. Among those, we have a summer camp for our young people.
That is needed.
So if you have children, or we please ask you to connect with us, and then we can give you more information on how you can register and how this program will go. And we also have training sessions coming for if somebody wants to learn how to use a computer, if somebody needs training on different type of some work So we can help you with that. We even have a few sessions coming up on how to write a good resume. So I mean, we have a few things for the community. And in the summer, around June, July, one of the things that we are really passionate about is health and wellness. So we have a few events coming up where we would bring some professionals in the medical field to kind of help the Haitian community in the health and wellness area, because we want to have a healthy community.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, so those are a few things among many that we have coming up.
You guys have a lot of things planned
Yes.
for this community. Well, you guys, that was Marc Ficare with Haconet. You guys hear all the good stuff they have planned for this Haitian community network in Columbus, Ohio. If you guys need more information, you can go to haconet.org, where you can ask any question. You can see all the stuff that's listed, that the services they provide into the community. If you want to give any donation, it's welcome, because it's a non-profit organization, so that is most needed. Anything else, you can come to the address that I mentioned earlier. If you want to come, stop by and see the office and see everything, and we're looking forward to seeing you. That was Angie and Marc with Haconet, and we'll see you soon.